Oh my god. Wow, it's really nice out today. I'm surprised. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming and welcome back to another motovlog. Today's motovlog, we're just gonna take it easy. Sometimes you just gotta take that time, not try too hard to make a YouTube video and enjoy the ride. I think YouTube and motorcycling can be such an awesome combination career-wise. When you just want to come out here and have fun, you can't be trying too hard. I feel like a lot of the time I focus too much on the topic at hand and try to pour all my effort into it instead of enjoying the ride. So today that's what we're gonna do, and it's my Sunday, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Now my plan for the next couple of weeks had been to upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hopefully you guys are excited for the mods that are coming to this bike. I know I am, dude. I don't know if you guys realize how different this bike is gonna be after I get everything installed. And it's not even that far away. It's like by the end of next week, the bike should be in the shop getting everything on. But I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of schedule that I'm trying to keep up with. I work 40 hours a week still, so it's still kind of tough for me to get a real day off with trying to upload minimum 3 videos a week and work 40 hours, because that editing, dude, I mean, okay, the coming out and recording, the coming out and actually recording the video, it can be difficult. I just got to be in the mood to do it, you know. And I think I've kind of found today and yesterday, you know, I kind of learned the hard way that there has to be a balance. There has to be some sort of middle ground between you having fun on the bike and taking that time for yourself and also making a video. So that's kind of what I'm going to try out with this one. And hopefully next week we will have all 3 videos up, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And yeah, so I'm so excited for the direction of the channel. If you guys have any feedback, let me know down in the comments below. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I know that it might be a little frustrating about how I talk so much game about the things that I'm going to do to this bike, and then nothing ever happens to it. I know that can be frustrating for you guys, because I assume that it's probably the reason why a lot of you subscribed. I mean, I don't know of any other YouTuber who has a 2019 Yamaha R3, you know, the newer model, and uploads as frequently as I do. But yeah, I'm super excited. So this is my old neighborhood. This is the neighborhood where my old house used to be. And I'm just kind of doing the little, I don't know what you would call this, I guess kind of like warm-up ride, a little warm-up circuit, you know, like 35 miles an hour. I love this little road. My buddy John had a 1985 MR2. They called it the poor man's Ferrari. One day we were coming home from a party and we were completely sober, but I'm riding with him. This dude is just feeling himself, man. I'm pretty sure, I mean, this guy is capable. He's probably one of the best drivers that I've ever known. You know, really good at apexing, really good at understanding his car, really good at feeling where that limit is and pushing it. We're riding home, right? I'm in the passenger seat, and he starts mobbing down that little strip that I did. Here, I'll go back and show you guys. So we turn on this street, and he just starts mobbing, dude, in this like 2,300 pound mid-engine Toyota. And we're mobbing. He's, you know, braking at the right times, cornering super hard, getting a little bit of screech into the tires. And I'm scared for my life, to be honest. But at the same time, you know, I know this kid can drive. I know this kid knows what he's doing, so I trust him. And you know, we drive through this exact same road that I'm doing right now. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning at this point, and we're riding. And in my head I start to think like, holy shit, like, should I tell him to slow down? Because, you know, something unexpected happens and we crash. we're pretty much going to die. Like, I'm 80% sure of it. We come around to this point right here, and I think we're going like 60 miles an hour. And so I guess his normal line is to cut right here and send it straight through here. But here there was a truck, and that truck is never parked there. I think those people might have moved, but there was a truck, and time just slows down. Here, let me go back. Let me go back so I can illustrate this correctly. Time just slows down, and it's in slow motion. All right, so we're coming up, and we're, oh, squirrel, no, come on, man. Jesus, look both ways, my dude. Okay, anyway, speaking of almost dying, that squirrel had it coming, man. There's a squirrel somewhere in this neighborhood that has one eye, or at least there used to be. He used to scrap a lot, and he was really friendly. You could walk up to him and feed him and stuff. He was really cool. So anyway, we're going about 60 miles an hour at this point, right? We're coming in. His plan is just go straight through right here, kind of like hit the end of this little corner right here, but there's a truck right where I'm at, and so we're going too fast to the point where we can't swerve out of its way. You know, we're going 50-60 miles an hour. It's just not going to happen, and if he tries it, we're going to lose control. But basically, when time slowed down, I thought that we were just going to slide right under that truck and just get decapitated, because, you know, okay, 60 miles an hour, the plan is just to go straight, but the pickup is right here, right next to that mailbox, and I'm just sitting there staring at the grill of this huge truck in this tiny, super low car, and just imagine the car, you know, just slipping under there and like taking off the whole roof, and, you know, in the morning people come out or people hear the crash, and, you know, all of a sudden there's this car underneath this pickup. What he does is that he doesn't go this way, and he doesn't go into the yard. This car is so small that he just commits, sends it onto the sidewalk in between the mailbox and the pickup. Both of the mirrors fold in, and you hear crashing on both sides, and we're just like, oh my god. And he was like, man, the car is like, we could have just died. And I'm just sitting there in shock, like, we could have just died, but we didn't. You know, so grateful in the moment. Well, John is stressing out about how his car is all messed up, and, you know, he just got it, and he loved that thing, but how we could have died at the same time. So we drive over to his house, just down the street. We get out, and the car, there's not a scratch on it. Not a single scratch, I kid you not. 60 miles an hour, sent it over the curb of a sidewalk between a giant pickup truck and the mailbox, because it's pretty much the only option that we had to keep us alive. There's not a scratch on it. We get home, nothing, man. Nothing. The only thing that we do notice is that the mirrors are folded in. That's pretty much it. That's it, man. No other damage besides that. And then the actual glass reflective part of the mirror came off, so we came back. We took our skateboards and came back, and we found those people's mailbox in their yard. So all we did was we stuck it on, and we found John's mirror on the ground. So we pick it up, take it home, slap it back on. It's like nothing ever happened. And I was scared to come back, because, I mean, to me it sounded like a super, super loud sound. You know, like, there was no way that people didn't hear it. I mean, I get that it was 2 in the morning, but it had to have wakened somebody up. Yeah, we got home, just grateful that we were alive. Grateful that the car was okay. And, yeah, man, you know, thinking back on it, I definitely should have told him to slow down. Doesn't matter how good you are, doesn't matter what your skill level is at. You could be a pro and, you know, make a bad judgment. You know, what we were doing that night was a really bad decision. You know, this isn't a racetrack. There's houses here. You know, there's people walking the streets sometimes at 2 in the morning. There could have easily been someone walking in the middle of the road, and we would have been going too fast to avoid them. We were barely going too fast to avoid that truck. You know? So looking back at it, it was stupid. I should have told him to slow down. I don't know why I didn't. You know, I shouldn't have trusted him. He's a great rider, but it doesn't matter. Nothing is worth that risk. Maybe I guess I'll just name this video a story time. It's just where I ended up coming. I didn't really know where I was gonna go. I came here and did that little warm-up round. Maybe I'll go record another video today. But I think that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna take the rest of the day to enjoy the ride. You know, it's my last day off, so I might play some video games, hang out with my friends, or, you know, hang out with my lady when she gets off of work. We'll see. We'll see what the day brings. Anyway, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really enjoy doing videos, especially like this one. You know, it kind of seems like sometimes the videos that take the least effort or the least effort are the ones that do the best, or are the ones that I like the most. Like the 5 things that I hate about my Yamaha R3. That video is my most viewed video. I think it's like at like 65,000 views. And I recorded that on my phone entirely. I just took it to a nice little strip of concrete in my apartment complex and took my phone and recorded there. I didn't actually go out and ride it. I just, you know, kind of slapped a video together, and it turned out to be my most viewed video. Imagine that. I'm really gonna go now, so I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Tons of mods coming along the way, and for now, 3 videos a week. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So keep that in mind, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.